Good morning, guys. This is my morning voice. I just woke up. What's the time? 20 minutes ago. And I brushed my teeth and washed my face, and now I'm drinking some water, and I thought, why not start my skincare routine with you? Okay. Sip of water. This is what we're going to do. My current morning skincare. I have mature skin, mostly dry, but I do have some oily places in my T-zone, especially nose and chin and mustache. Very oily. Everything else is super dry. So this is what we're working with. Dry skin, mature skin. You can see all the blemishes and the redness here. So no zits, fortunately, but this is the canvas we're working with, and I'm going to show you my routine. Most of the things that I have here you can get on iHerb or Amazon. First of all, this one. As you can see, it's here, and this is my second bottle, and I have backup. This is from Cosrex. I hope you didn't butcher the name. Advanced Snail 96 Smoothing Power Essence. I really enjoy using it. I use it as serum in the morning before everything else. I just take 2 pumps and just warm it, I guess, and press it to my skin. 2 pumps are usually not enough because I have to do also my neck and décolletage. So I'm just pressing it in. Of course I'm doing everything quickly, usually, but because we are here together, and this is, oh, did you see that? Sort of called a tutorial. I am taking my time, so I am also rubbing and also tapping it in. I need a bit more. Don't forget your décolletage, super important. Yep, just like that. It's easier to tap it in the face. Now I'm sticky, very sticky, but this is just the serum. You won't be able to feel it after everything else that goes on top of it, which is not a lot. First of all, eye cream. I use this one. This is a brand sold on iHerb. Simply, this is their caffeine HA gel, and it looks like this. I don't know why they call it an eye gel, because it's more like a cream. This is the consistency of it. As you can see, it's a cream. Well, it's a cream. I can see why they call it a gel. So it's a combination between a cream and a gel. I just tap it under my eye. Tap. It's very important to tap because the skin under our eyes is very delicate. So we don't want to pull and push and do stuff to disturb it. Just like that. Okay, and I'm taking a bit more on my eyelids. We are not neglecting the eyelids. This is a big no-no. And I'm tapping some more, and the leftovers go on the sides of my nose. Now the next product I bought when I was in Sofia, Bulgaria on holiday. This is the lavender organic oil via natural hydrating day cream age control. It's not for me. I don't know why I use it. First of all, it has a very, very, very strong scent. I'm not sure it's lavender. I think it's roses. I know Bulgaria are very strong about their roses, but this is not really for me. But I am using it because I guess I don't want to throw it away. I can pass it on to my daughter. Maybe she will like it, but I need to buy myself a new cream in order to do that. So I'm just taking, there's nothing special about this. Everything is already absorbed. This absorbed completely. So I'm just applying a thin layer. A very, very thin layer of this cream, not packing and applying too much, just an even coat. We want for this to dry relatively quickly, and less is more. Really, in cosmetics, less is more. There's no need to apply a lot of cream. It won't make a difference if you apply a lot versus you apply a thin coat, because you know the skin can absorb so much. Okay, can't absorb so much, sorry. That's all the skincare I'm doing. That's it. Just this is a serum, an eye cream, and a face cream for my face, neck and décolletage, and that's it. The only two steps, well, it's a one step, but I use two products. Can you guess? If you can guess, write deep down in the comment section down below. What do you think is the next step? Okay, I'm guessing you are all correct. SPF. I have two, and I'm using both, and I will explain why. This one I bought from Bliss Blockstar Sheer Liquid Daily Sunscreen SPF 50. This is 100% mineral. This is very, very liquidy. When they say liquid, they mean liquid. They mean business. This is a liquid. Mineral liquid. And then I use this one, I use on my face, and this one I use on my neck and décolletage. This is from Think Sport Face Clear Zinc 23.4% sunscreen SPF 50. This is really nice. So all the products I can get you a link for iHerb, I will put down in the description below. You don't have to use them, but they are affiliated and I will earn a small tiny commission. Okay, you don't have to. I'm just saying. This one, if I can find on Amazon, I will put an not affiliated link. Okay, now I shook it down. It's very liquidy, don't be alarmed. I did speak, and while I was speaking, everything dried. Remember, I put a very, very thin layer, so we really need to wait a minute or two for everything to sunk into the skin and not jump right to the SPF. Just wait for everything to absorb a little and then use the SPF. Now, I have a love-hate relationship with this because it is very good. I feel that it blocks the sun when I'm wearing it, but you will see why the hate in a minute. It's very liquidy. You know, you have to apply a lot of SPF. You have to apply a lot of SPF. Not a tiny bit, a lot. 2 fingers worth or a teaspoon worth of SPF just for your face. If you have a small face, then maybe a small teaspoon, sorry. No spoon, teaspoon. Did I say spoon? I don't know. Okay. Now, because the cream is white, I can definitely see where I have not applied it, which is a good thing. I missed a lot. My under eye area, my lids need more love. Yes, we do apply SPF on the lid. It is a part of our skin. Even if you are wearing sunglasses. Okay, time for some water. Look at me, I look like Casper the Ghost. Okay. So we can see, because it's white, we can see where we need to apply more, or just spread everything around. And you will see in a minute why this is a love-hate relationship. Let's let it do its thing and move to the neck and décolletage, where I'm using this one. Morning, so do forgive me. I am at the ends of this. Let's see if something comes out, or we need to cut it. Come on, come on, come on. Really hate it. Just, oh yeah, we got it. This one is better in the sense of the whiteness. I just want to show you 2 separate sunscreens. This is what I use. I'm just showing you exactly what I use. This one is very thick, so I didn't like I didn't enjoy using it on my face, but I love using it on my neck and décolletage. Okay, I shouldn't have touched my neck, my chin. Okay, come on, I need a tiny bit more, please. Whoa! Not in my water, luckily. Don't forget the décolletage, don't neglect it. Especially if you're wearing a V shirt. Okay. Can you see now why I have a love-hate relationship with this sunscreen? I'm white as a ghost. They say sheer liquid. I, read this and I thought sheer liquid, they probably mean that it will be clear. Sheer, I mean, no, it's not what I meant. Sheer liquid, they kind of mean that it's very, very liquidy and you need a very thin layer, I guess. It does not mean clear, because you can clearly see that this is not clear. I cannot get out of the house like this. Well, I can. I usually do when I run errands and I'm not really in the mood for makeup, but it rarely happens. I have to be really, really, really lazy. Really, 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 really lazy to get out of the house like this, because it looks awful. And if I'll try and rub it like I did on my nose, it's just losing the coverage. Can you see the patch on my nose? Okay. So again, I cannot get out of the house like this, even if I'm trying to tap it some more. I look completely white. Now I have a video already on my channel I think a week or 2 weeks ago, where I show how I cover myself when I am white from sunscreen. So you can check that out. I'm not going to go over this right now, but I will leave a link in the description down below to that video, so you can just go to that video and see me cover this. Why am I'm SPF now all over. But that's it. This is my morning routine. This is what I do every morning when I wake up. Hydration is the first step of my skincare. Don't underestimate it. Hydrate. It will help your skin be better, be plumpier, especially if you're younger. Okay, that's it. What do you think? Do I look completely white, like Casper the Ghost? Okay, write it down in the description below, in the comment section down below, what you think. Let me know. Is there a product that you want me to test? Do write it down in the comment section down below. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Look at the contrast between my hand and my face. So like this video if you enjoyed it. Go check the other video to see how I cover everything. Really easy and quick. And if you're not yet subscribed, then please subscribe and join my family here on YouTube. And with that said, I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.